In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Wells Fargo. To begin, open your Wells Fargo app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll find the Pay and Transfer option. Tap on it, and the app will bring up several different payment choices. Among those options, you'll see Zelle displayed clearly in the middle of the screen, usually highlighted with its recognizable purple icon. When you open the Zelle section, you'll be taken to the main Zelle hub inside your Wells Fargo app. From here, you'll see tabs like Send, Request, Activity, Recipients, and Preferences. These areas allow you to control every part of how you send or receive money. Before transferring anything, it's always a good idea to check your Zelle preferences. When you tap Preferences, you'll see your Zelle QR code, your email and phone profiles, and a few options for managing the information connected to your Zelle account. Inside Manage Payment Profiles, you'll find all the emails and phone numbers linked to your Wells Fargo account. The app will show whether each one is enrolled or not enrolled with Zelle. If something isn't enrolled, you can choose it and follow the verification steps, usually just confirming through a text message or email link. You can have multiple profiles on Zelle, like both an email and your phone number, and you can choose which one you want to actively use. If you ever plan on sending money between your own accounts at two different banks, remember that you cannot use the same email or phone number for both Zelle profiles. You'll need one identifier for each bank. Next, tap on Manage Recipients. This section shows everyone you've previously added. Each contact has their initials, and if you notice the small Z icon next to their name, that means they already use Zelle with their bank, so transfers to them will be smooth and quick. You can also add new recipients by tapping the Add button. You'll enter the person's phone number or email connected to their Zelle account. If you're sending money to a business, checking the business box is a good idea because it helps classify the recipient correctly. Add their first name, last initial, and press Continue to save them. Now go back to the Zelle main page. If you're physically with someone, you can have them scan your QR code so your information loads instantly for them. But for transferring money, tap Send. Here, you'll see your most recent contacts, all added recipients, and options to scan or add a new one. Select the person you want to send to. The app will then show a confirmation screen where you should double-check the recipient's name and contact information. Wells Fargo also shows a small warning message, reminding you to make sure you trust the person you're sending money to, since Zelle payments move fast and can't be reversed. Scroll down and check the box that says you're sure the payment isn't a scam. After you confirm, tap Continue. Now you'll enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the number, and then select the account you'd like the money to be withdrawn from. If you want to include a memo, maybe a note about what the money is for, you can add that too. Once everything looks perfect, tap Review to confirm the details one last time. When you're ready, tap Send. The app might show one more verification message, and you'll tap Send again. The transfer will start processing right away. Most of the time, if you've sent money to this person before, the transfer completes in just a few minutes. If it's the first time you're sending money to this recipient, it might take a bit longer, but it still usually arrives quickly. That's how to transfer money from Zelle to Wells Fargo.